We're going to show you the famous horse. It's a statue of the horse. It commemorates the horses that used to pull the lifeboat in when they used to launch the lifeboat and recover the lifeboat. There used to be, I think it was six horses. Anyway, they built a sculpture here. Let me just show you. Let's just show the engine down. And as you can see, we've got a seagull perched on top of the horse, which is normal. 2 seagulls now. And at low water, this is on the sandbank. So we're in about 3 foot of water at the moment, which isn't too bad. Anyway, let's take you right up as close as we can get without knocking it over. There you go. There you have the Port of Wales. Horse. I hope it's got a name. Hopefully they've given it a name. I don't know what the name is, but they've obviously, I would have thought, given it a name, wouldn't you? Look at that. Yeah. Look at that. They've used a bit of chain for the tail. There you go. Let's turn around. Look, we got all the seagulls there. Let's turn you around and we can have a look at the horse from the other side. And there you go. And there you go, from both sides. Can't be bad, can it? Right, we'll head back up now. That's your tour of Wales Harbour done. Hope you enjoyed it. Hey, I have anyway. We should be at the top of the tide now. Oh, we've hit the bank. We've hit the sand. What we're going to do is let the tide just blow us around and push back into the deep water. heading back now towards the dock. Let's just turn you around so you can see face. There we go. There's my actual face for you. Well, I don't know how much you've heard of that. If you didn't hear too much, then what I'll do is I'll do a voiceover. Right, we're just coming into the dock again. Let me just turn you around and you'll be able to see it. Right, as I say, we're just coming in now. So we're cutting the speed right down. So we're just on what we call tick over. There we go, look at that. Well, to be honest with you, I'm quite pleased. I've got a bit of water in the back of the boat, but when you think we've been out there now for nearly 2 hours messing around and we've just got a little bit of water, so I don't think we're going to worry too much about that, to be honest with you. We'll just put that down to a bit of water. You can't go sailing unless you get wet, can you? Anyway, we're just going in now. We're just going to kill the engine, I think, don't you? There we are, the engine's killed. What I've done is switch the petrol off, so we drain the carburetor out. Apparently the booklet told me to do that because of it stops the petrol perishing the bits in the carburetor or something, I don't know. The output should stop any minute now because it'll run out of petrol. We hope. Come on, stop. I'm going to have to get yourself some wet shoes. Apparently you don't have a stop button, you have to put your hand over the carburetor, the air intake, stops the air coming in, stops the engine. Very Heath Robinson, but it works.